Hey there all YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the stripped plastic gears in this 5-pound sausage stuffer. This has been a good machine for me. I got this back in 2014 and the plastic eventually starts to wear, and you know you're cranking on it and it's stripping, and you know it's just annoying. So I was considering upgrading and purchasing a new one, but then I was like, oh, they're like over $220, you know, it'd be like $240. So I considered, you know, maybe I could just replace the gears. So LEM sells a replacement, a new rod, metal rod, and metal gears. They give you this brass washer on top and the metal gear. Now on this plastic one, this is the gear that's stripped. A couple of these are stripped, so when it's going, it's... So first thing I did when I got this is I wanted to make sure that the threads were the same, because you know this is for LEM product, but this was Gander Mountain. They look similar, but you know, I just took a chance. So I was like, oh great, that's the first thing I checked. Threads line up, they work. The next thing I wanted to see, that works. Great. Now the next thing I needed to see was the handle. Well, this handle is a little tight. See that? I'm gonna have to maybe get the Dremel that out just a little bit. It almost fits. I could probably just sand this down, but I might Dremel the inside. So if you go this route, you might have a little issue with your handle. Alright, so that's all good, that's all good. So the first thing you want to do is you want to flip it over, just like this. Then you want to get your socket, and you'll see, you just take these nuts off of here. First thing. Alright, so there you got the washer and the nuts off. Just pop that off just like that. Alright, we're going to set that aside. Set that aside like that. Alright, so now with that base off, you just want to start turning it, and you want the rod to come out down through the bottom here. Keep turning it, keep turning, and eventually it's going to let loose. Okay, so let me just show you this groove here. And there's that gear. Get that out of there. And this plastic gear, real simple, it just slides right out, just like that. So I don't know if you could see that. See how that's stripped, worn down and stripped. Get rid of that. Alright, so very simple. Just get your new gear. This is a very basic design, very simple design. It's very easy. So you got to make sure your washer's in there. And you just put that in just like that. Alright. So let me show you. See how it's got that groove? That groove has to go this way because see that key that fits in there. So you just take that up. Very simple. See that? Turn it a little bit, turn it a little bit till you get it to almost where it needs to be. Just like that. And now you want to start cranking it. Now hold that flat right there, just like that, so that lines up. So your groove lines up in that key, just like that. And look at that. Simple. Metal gears. They're going to last. So how about that? Just like that. That was so easy. Now this was 25 bucks for this kit. You get the rod, you get the 2 metal gears, and the brass washer. Now, you know, some people might just want to get a new machine. That's fine, but I figured I'd go this route first. Alright, so now after you get it all together just like that, all you gotta do is get your base. Get your base just like this. This is the crank side. You want to make sure you got your base on the right way, just like that. Put your base on, put your washers and nuts on there. Then tighten them up. Alright, so there you have it. For 25 bucks, replace your gears. I mean, see that right there? Plastic stripped right there. I mean, I could have bought a new one, but I mean, I figured I'd take a chance. 25 bucks. Got them from LEM. They sent me this nice catalog, and you know, they got everything you possibly need, you know, but I figure I'd take a chance. There ain't nothing wrong with it except, you know, these plastic gears. So forget that plastic. Metal's where it's at. Thanks for watching, folks.